Today we have a first alert smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector that's chirping, so we twisted it to pull it down, and now we hold back on this lever, pull pretty hard to get this out, pull it towards you, and then you get a couple of AA batteries in there. So you can just push up on this tab on the bottom to push the battery up a little bit, and then it's easier to get it out. So push up on that tab, and the battery pops right out. So when you're putting these back in, there's a little negative side here, sign here, and a little positive sign here. On a battery, this one's the negative side. The little thing at the end is the positive side. So I'm going to put in the first one, come in at a diagonal. I'm just going to push it all the way back until it locks in. There's the first one. The second one, it's going to be a little nodule pointing up. That's the positive side. I'll put in the bottom of it, push it in until it locks in, and you're all done. And then you can just push this shut, right? Squeeze it in, locks. Get that little signal. That's great. And then you can put it back up and twist it to lock it in. So we get the new batteries in. We're going to put this thing back up, push it into position, twist it all the way to your right. That locks it in, and you're done.